A sedan driving down a country road, something you see every day. But only by looking over the driver's shoulder and catching a glimpse of the footwell would you have any idea that the car was on a test drive. The international automotive supplier Continental is testing a prototype system that is capable of accelerating and braking by itself on country roads.
We decided to automatically perform the longitudinal control of the vehicle since we already have a serious system. It's called ACC, and the next evolutionary step would be to completely automatically perform the acceleration and the deceleration of the vehicle itself.
Automated longitudinal guidance means that the driver only has to operate the steering wheel and nothing else. Of course, this feels a bit odd at first, but it also makes driving much easier.
It's definitely pleasant and it's very comfortable. The system is able to see much further into curves than the human is able to do.
To make all of this happen, the vehicle requires a great deal of information from numerous sources.
We have our camera sensor inside the vehicle, we have the radar sensor inside the vehicle.
A stereo camera coupled with the radar sensor precisely analyzes the stretch of road in front of the vehicle. But this vehicle surrounding sensor technology is merely one part of a system that the car can use to determine its position.
Additionally, we have the electronic horizon from Continental, the eHorizon, which provides the vehicle with fresh map data. And as a second step, we fuse all these data sources into one environmental understanding, and then we calculate a procedure for the longitudinal control of the vehicle.
This means that with an electronic map, the vehicle knows precisely every bend and the speed limits along any given route, so it also knows in advance the speed at which it can drive there.
For the performance of curve ACC, we need special geometric data from curves themselves, and these data must be stored inside the map.
How fast the vehicle then drives round these bends is influenced by a number of parameterizations.
We designed the system to be always very comfortable, but this can be changeable. We can set it to more sporty, we can set it also to be very efficient. The idea is here to always have a constant lateral acceleration, and by this approach we can calculate the right speed for the vehicle.
However, as soon as the stereo camera or the electronic horizon indicate a speed limit, this parameterization ceases to play a role and the vehicle automatically adjusts. Naturally, using its sensors, the automated car must also observe and react to other road users.
If there's a car in front of me, the system will detect the vehicle in front of me. When the car is slower than my velocity, then my car will lower the speed and will always keep a safe and comfortable distance.
This function constitutes a key building block for achieving fully automated driving, a vision that Continental wants to make a reality from 2025 onward.
We have three main goals. The first goal is Vision Zero. We want to have no accidents on the road. The second goal is to have high efficiency in the vehicles. And the third goal is to have a very high comfort for the driver.